Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. Lots of friends ask me how can we install apps on Vmos Lite. So here is the solution. If you don't know about the Vmos, you can find a video from this video description. So let's continue the video. Now open your Vmos application. Open your web browser. Now follow me. Now you can see there is two applications I downloaded. Now install root browser application onto your Vmos. Now open your root browser application. Go to your downloads. Now you can see there is two APKs. Now go to your system. Here is the root folder. Now you can find system folder, open it. Go to private app folder. Scroll down and select .exe folder. Just delete this application. Copy this application, paste it here. Now shut down your Vmos application. Then open it once again. Now you can see here is the Play Store application. Now open. Now sign into your Google account. Enter your email here. Now click on continue. Now click on accept. Now you can download and install any application from here. Your application is successfully installed to your Vmos application. Now you can run it. You can see it's working fine. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.